out of airplane mode. With our baggage service guarantee, your bags will be a baggage claim within 20 minutes of our arrival at the gate, or you'll receive a discount or miles toward a future flight. And for information about connecting flights, check the monitors inside the terminal or use the Alaska Airlines mobile app. And when leaving the aircraft this evening, please give those in front of you space as you move down the aisle. Also, please be sure to keep your face mask on while moving through the airport. And on behalf of the employees of Alaska Airlines, a proud member of the One World Alliance, we'd like to thank you for flying with us today. We'd also like to congratulate our mileage plan members for earning at least 2,306 miles on this flight. Visit alaskaair.com/mileage plan for more information on our award-winning program. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks for masking up.